Hello guys, in an earlier tech skill episode, we explored how to create 3 amazing parallax effects on PowerPoint. In this video, we will learn how to create this amazing Ptopia design presentation with perfect animations. In our new design, we will create a prototype slide. In it, we will give it an elegant gaming theme. Then we will create the navigation pane to the left of the screen. And of course, create these clickable navigation buttons at the bottom. Then apply it to the rest of the slides. All in PowerPoint. Sit tight. Download these pictures from pixel4k.com. Please subscribe for more updates as we dive into our amazing PowerPoint adventure. Done so. Let's go. First, we insert some pictures, a number of your own choosing. We'll use them for background formatting and slide animation. Just watch and see. Now, zoom out a little. Move them a little so we can see all of them a bit more clearly. Now let's start. Cut picture. Add a new slide. Right-click here to format background. Then check in picture and texture. From clipboard. Cut another picture from the first slide. Paste it in our new slide. Select picture. Adjust length to fit and align in the slide pane. Right-click to format picture. Add this picture frame over here. Adjust picture size. Duplicate picture. Make it smaller. Center back. Add a rectangle shape. First, let's format this picture. Shape format. Line section. Add a gradient line. Add and adjust colors to fit your impression. Do the same for the next picture. Now adjust the rectangle size to fit in the smaller frame. Change fill to gradient fill. Adjust colors to your impression. Select all frames and shapes. Group them. Next, cut a new picture from the first slide. Paste it in the second slide. Adjust and move to fit in our first frame. Add frame. Shape format. Add a gradient line frame. Adjust colors to match the others. reduce transparency in this smaller frame. Next, insert a rectangle. Add a text. PDP for Ptopia design presentation. Adjust font settings and size. Add shape fill. Remove fill shade. Select shapes, merge shapes, subtract shapes. Add fill again. Duplicate new shape. To shapes. Add an arrow chevron into our shape. Select shape. Merge section. Subtract. Now do the same for the next one. Now facing the opposite direction. Next, add a text box to our first frame. Add some texts of your own choosing. Adjust font settings. Next, add a line shape, here. Shape outline. Adjust weight. And color too. Add a yellow glow. Copy topic. Paste in the first frame. First, let's add our shape from below, up to our edge frame here. Make some adjustments. Now to our topic, adjust font and color. Duplicate to set and home text. Change color. Now select first frame. Add animation. Wipe animation. Change direction from left. Start with previous. Now use Animation Painter to paste animation in the text boxes and the line shape. Congratulations, now you have created the perfect prompt for the rest of the slides. Next, duplicate second slide. Now cut another picture from the first slide. Next, to our new slide. Click on this frame, Picture Format section. Change picture. From clipboard, adjust to fit. Now remove home text. Duplicate slide again. In the first slide, cut picture. In our new slide, same frame. Change picture. Adjust to fit. Repeat the same process for the rest of your slides. Done. Now delete the first slide. We're done with the pictures. In the new second slide, change texts. Adjust font and size. Change color. Do the same for the rest of your slides. It would be easier like mine if you pin the texts in clipboard like mine. You like this video? Click the subscribe button below for more amazing updates like this. Done. Next, delete preview button from home and next button from the last slide. Now let's add some slide zooms. We'll use them to create a navigation panel. Align to the left. Remove zoom transitions in all the slides. Now select all slide zooms. Copy. Paste in the other slides by hitting Ctrl+V simultaneously. Now, adjust the first slide zoom in the home slide. Second slide zoom. Do the same for the rest of the slides. Done. Now select all the slide zooms in slide 1. Right-click and lock them. Do the same for the rest of the slides. Done. Last step. in the first slide. Let's create a next action button to take us to the next slide on click. Go to Insert, Action, check in Hyperlink, then OK. Now copy action button. In the second slide, select this shape, press Delete, paste from clipboard. Follow shortcut keys. Do the same for the rest of the slides. Done, easy peasy. Now create previous action button from the last slide. Change this one to previous slide. Now copy button. In the other slides, delete this one. Paste button. Do the same for the rest of the previous buttons. Done. Lastly, in the first slide, select all animation. Animations pane. Add a 3/4 seconds delay, and we are done with our project. Let's play. Wow, that's nice. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content. Find a copy of the PPT template in the video description, or rewatch to recreate your own. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.